The JBL JRX218S Subwoofer delivers an impressive, deep bass, perfect for DJ sets and live performances. With a peak power capacity of 1,400 watts, it provides powerful and room-filling sound. Constructed from rugged medium-density fiberboard, its durable enclosure minimizes resonance for superior low-frequency performance. The sleek black carpet finish adds a professional touch, making it an attractive addition to any audio setup. Equipped with a cast aluminum pole mount, it easily integrates with other speakers for a seamless sound system. Non-resonant steel handles ensure easy portability while protecting the subwoofer from damage.